mama, don't let your babies grow up to be roofers. Don't let them lay shingles and drive pickup trucks. Make them become a gynecologist or such.
Hit it!
That's the way to kick it off. And I thank Anthony and everybody for kicking off this event, and I look forward to speaking with every one of you.
Paul Reed, the best dressed man.
Black needles in the city, back immediately, confiscate the money. That girl is a real crowd, please. Small world, all the friends know of me.
And the winner is D&M Roofing. Come on! I appreciate everybody that's helped us get to where we are. Thank you. We fucking did it.
Congratulations. I want to thank all the salesmen, the crews. Love you guys. Thank you.
When the DJ drops
It's been an amazing ride. Thank you to everybody that voted for us. Thank you to my wonderful team back there.
Eric Hunter, Roof of the Year. Come on up and get your award.
It's an honor to be part of this. We're very excited. Thank you guys.
Get some!
For Female of the Industry this year. I want to say thank you to Autumn and Anthony for giving me the opportunity to sit on the CEO panel yesterday.
Give me a round of applause. Booyah, baby.
All right, last thing I want to say is, Beacon, we're here to serve. We're here to support you, your businesses, and all of your organizations. So whatever you need from us, you ask, we are here for you. Thank you very much. We appreciate everything.
Anthony, thank you for what you're doing. Thank you for what you're doing to the industry. And you're making change right now. Thank you, pal.
Booyah, baby. Let's go.